We often hear about the fall in the value of the rupee against the dollar. Do you know what this means? This is what we will discuss in this video. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. The value of a currency is usually measured against the dollar. For example, a dollar is equal to 84 Indian rupees. The next day, the rupee depreciated and then the value of the rupee changed from 84 to 85. This is because the dollar has changed in value. This change will be costly. When we import $10 worth of goods, we pay 10 times 84 rupees, that is 840 rupees. But when the value falls, it becomes 10 times 85, thus 850 rupees. But here, we're losing 10 rupees. Anyone who wants to invest in India will have to spend rupees. That is why they invest when the value of the rupee is low. For example, if a person invests $10 when the value of the rupee is 84, $10 equals 84 multiplied by 10, which is 840 rupees. But when the value falls, it is $10 equals 85 multiplied by 10, which is 850. That means you can invest more than 10 shares at the same price. If the rupee depreciates, imports become more expensive. Also, goods from India become cheaper for foreigners, allowing them to buy more Indian products and services at a lower cost. Thus, the natural increase in the value of the rupee is called appreciation and the decrease is called depreciation. But there are some central authorities. This is the Reserve Bank of India. Raising the value of the rupee is called revaluation and lowering it is called devaluation. Any idea why it's doing this? There is a high possibility of a lot of exports during the revaluation. This will help in increasing the demand for Indian products in the international market. But it is possible to import at the time of devaluation. This can become a threat. This means that when the import increases, the price of goods also increases, leading to huge inflation. However, if you control it properly, you can avoid such situations. The economic system does not rise and fall merely because the value of the currency falls and rises. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.